Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to block or allow microphone access on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, you want to go into settings, scroll a little bit until you'll see security and privacy. Here, you scroll all the way down into more privacy settings. And you scroll all the way down until you'll see Permission Manager. Here we have a bunch of different permissions we can choose from, but we are interested in a microphone. So as you can see, currently we don't have any apps that allow using our microphone every time, which is good. You should probably want to keep that in this way. But if you are, well, very reckless, you can, for example, enable Google. Oh, even Google doesn't want to know. I mean, we all do. We all know that it still does. But we can simply play around with it. For example, it would be very fun if I would disable microphone access to my voice recorder, so now this app will be utterly useless. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.